fake deaths too.
Hold on, hold on.
What are we doing?
You gotta just
Yours isn't even looking at me.
Just fucking around now.
No, I do it. All right.
What does that do?
It gives us something audio-wise to sync all the cameras together.
That whole lot of clapping, that was just a fucking.
That was just an old joke. Okay. Hey guys, AEG team, 2 respawns. All right? So just go back to where you are now and respawn. Cool. Huh? Yeah, we could do that. Why don't you take Bob, because he's going to need the most help, and I'll go with Jet.
Fuck off.
Jet will call it out. He's used to that.
Which way you want to go? Alright, you take point. Cool.
That's
about to call it. Yeah, we'll just go around to the right. Maybe get in the buildings. Alright. Because they have the buildings. You ready, Ross? Alright, AEGs, are you ready?
Yes!
Yes. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, game on!
Are you going?
Which way are we going? Through here?
Open area.
Alright.
Huh?
I am moving.
Oh shoot, I see one. I see one. Do you see him?
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah? Oh, shoot. They're like waiting for us. HK's there. He's on the other side of the UN truck. He's trying to shoot underneath. Go around, go around, go around. Move, 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 move. Did you get hit in the head? Was that Mark?
Yeah.
Dude, you fucking nailed me right in the head too.
Oh god. It's like 5 BBs.
It's so fast. All right.
Let's go.
Which way do you want to go?
There's like nowhere to go on the right. Well, hold on, let me go right. I got this little road.
All
You
right.
want to cover me and I'll go?
Mark is out. Oh, you're out already. Let's game.
Look who's Garacha, look who's Garacha.
All right, Jack, call it out.
Oh, we're gonna go up.
It's like draw the secondary, click, click, click. Oh,
That would be embarrassing. Which way are you guys gonna go? What?
probably work the right, like, I'd say work the side you're familiar on.
Damn it.
So you can work better.
I don't really care. Fucking left.
Let's just all go this way.
Okay. So
Okay.
that way?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
We'll just die in a blaze of glory.
Cool. Sounds good to me.
I'm gonna swing wide right
Airsoft.
around.
Two lives, two lives, right?
Yeah. 2 respawn.
So we'll just all we'll use our first one almost immediately.
Yeah, I'd say extreme aggression and just hit him. Hit him.
All right, let's do
Do
it.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jesus. That's the other guy.
Yeah. They all have high-speed shit. That's all Airsoft is these days.
Yep.
That's why we have to win, to prove them wrong.
Yeah.
All right, maybe we shouldn't be so reckless with our lives.
As long as we get 1-for-1s, we're good.
That's true.
I might start shooting on full auto.
Yeah.
That's
go
fine.
For it, man.
All right, Jed and I are gonna move this way. You guys move that way. Here
let's do that.
we go. Call it out, Jed.
Getting the CCD on like,
I think they're ready.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, ready?
We'll take that as a yes.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, game on!
oh shit, I see a fucking opening right now.
Hit. Jet.
Yeah.
All right, just make sure that's you. I just got Josh.
Mark's in the back right as far as I know.
Back right? How many is that, Josh? Hit. Hit. I'm done. Is that game? Oh my God, did he shoot you right after you got me?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Game over!
Oh my God, you just got marked like a split second after he got me.
We won!
Dude, I saw your little green hat. I was like, oh, why was he just like a half second faster? Because Mark just shot me.
Hey, Jet, who won? We did.
Gas blowback team won.
Boo.
By a very narrow margin though. It was pretty close.
I was left alive. Who else?
Well, it was 2-on-2 actually. It was you and Mark,
just shot
Josh
Josh.
and Jet. Oh, you had already got Josh out?
I just shot Josh.
He shot me because Jet was in my spawn, so I was like, I guess I'll give him like 10 seconds to get out of here.
Yeah.
He killed my teammate, and then
You ran straight into me.
I thought Jet was the last one left. So I can't-
Bang bang. Oh man.
Dude, that was such a good teamwork
I
on my
know,
part.
because I was like, yeah, got Andrew, time to reload. Oh.
Literally, this is exactly what happened. Like, I shot, moved, shot, moved, and then Andrew got in my position. Jet's like, hi, Andrew, and then shoots him. And I come up and I was like, what's up, Jet?
Andrew's like, can't get. Oh.
Now, like Mark just shot me. Like a split second after Mark shot me, I see a green hat just moving behind him. I was like, oh man, Jet was like a half second faster. Huh?
Did I shoot you right there?
Yeah, you got me right there.
Okay.
Yeah,
That was a good fucking match, dude.
that was fun. Gas versus AEGs is legit.
Yeah.
Go. Oh, there you are. Nobody's moving. Where are they? I thought we'd be able to pick them off or something. We are going to need some range.
Yeah.
We've got plenty of range, I think. I don't see anybody.
There's at least one on the right. He's shooting at us.
Shooting at us?
No, downstairs.
Okay, yeah.
There's at least one on the right. I can't see anything.
Neither can I. I'm going to go down.
Yeah. I got you. Hey! Middle building! He's going upstairs. If not, watch the middle door.
Was someone going upstairs? Oh shit, a lot of them are going upstairs. Yeah. How you doing?
I think you can push up. There's someone on the right side of the dead box.
Okay.
Death room, right hand side, death room.
Alright, we got it started.
Hey!
Fucking off, man.
Greg, I didn't want to shoot you, man. I didn't want to shoot you, I had you. He said no parlay, but I'll parlay with you if you want. Mark! Ah, hit! Oh, Ross! Coming out, hit! You shot me!